Hi guys, welcome to Common Fixes. We're working on a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a V6, 3.3, 3.5. They're all the same. The V6s. What happens, I was doing the head gasket because the head gasket was leaking on that corner in the back. And when I pulled out the head gasket or the heads, I found that those three bolts were loose, finger loose. So then I realized when I looked inside, the threads were damaged. The threads itself, they came out with the bolt. So in that situation, what I did some researching. I found this kit online that's from the States, and it's this kit here. It's basically to retap and rethread those holes, so you don't have to lose hope and replace the engine if you don't want to. But if you want to repair the holes, the threads, then you can use this kit. This kit is basically, it comes with a lot of components. It's a very good kit that I can see. It comes with this tool. It comes with this little die here, the aligning tool. Give it 1 second. So it comes with this aligning tool here. So that goes all the way in. Actually, let me just show you what it comes with first. It comes with this aligning tool. It comes with this little insert. So let me just unlock it. It comes with this little insert. It comes with this piece. It comes with that spacer. The head bolt, you have to use your own to hold it in place. And then it also comes with another piece like that. This is metal. This is aluminum. So use this metal one for drilling. The aluminum is for the tapping purposes. And this tool is to align it both for drilling and for tapping. So the bottom portion, see how it's coned? This cone section would be for drilling, so you can align it when you're drilling it, and then the body of it will be for tapping. So let me show you. So when you are basically dealing with the hole here, when you put the tool in, it will stay there, it won't go any further. When you have not drilled it yet, it won't go any further. It will sit on the cone section, so it straightens it out. And then once you drill it, then the whole piece will go inside, and that will, here I have this side drilled out already. So the whole piece will go inside, and it will stay firm to know that you're dead on. But the hole that you have not drilled yet, it won't go all the way. It will center on the cone. So this tool is used for both drilling and tapping. Now to drill it, you need to, give me 1 second, just loosen that off a bit more. So to drill it, you need the metal insert. Put that in, and then grab the aligning tool. Put that in, aligning the hole where it's supposed to go, right there. Lined up, locked in, and then you tighten that in. Make sure it's locked, and then you tighten that, and that's it. So it's basically there. So you can take this tool back out. You have to look inside, make sure it's straight, right? And then you can start drilling that hole. Once the hole is drilled, then you can basically take that piece back out, put the other piece, the aluminum piece, back in, right? And then, so once it's drilled, I've drilled that one already, so I'll show you once it's drilled. So once it's drilled, actually before you put the aluminum piece in, keep the metal piece in there and put this aligning tool back in there until the aligning tool in there until it sits all the way in, and then you lock that in place, and that's basically centered. Then you take that piece back out, take the insert also out, because you're going to need the other insert for tapping, because it's drilled already. So now you're going to need the other insert for tapping. Once that's in, lock the tool at the back. There's a little knob, you lock it in place, and then you're ready to drill. And when you're drilling, make sure you cover everything. I covered the timing chain, The all the open ends are covered, the radiator, because once you start drilling and you have to blow out all the holes with all the shards that's going to be coming out, then you need to blow that out, and you also need to have a vacuum so you can suck all that out. The drills, now this is the kit, comes with the lubricant, the Loctite, some instructions. Comes with this other spacer you can use for other vehicles. It comes with the drill, it comes with the measuring tool, it comes with the insert. This insert is very good, heavy duty, thick, roughly about 2 inches long, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and then that will be the tool to put the insert in. It comes with 2 taps. One is a 3 spline, the other is a 4 spline. For Hyundai, this particular one I'm working on, you don't need the 4 spline one, only the 3 spline. And it also comes with a bunch of inserts that you can install. Other than that, the company itself is this company here. If you Google it, you'll find it. And then basically, if you're drilling it, see how I marked them with tape? When you're drilling it, the drill itself for these Hyundais, I mean, you have to check which car you're working on, but from where the tape and the end is, it's supposed to be 83 millimeters. So 83 millimeters is what you need. So give me 1 second, let me just push this back. So here it is, 83 millimeter from the end. That's how far. The one thing to keep in mind when doing this, the kit is great, but you have to, the kit also mentions it, but you have to measure from the head, not from the tool. So when you're drilling and when you're tapping, you're not measuring from the edge here. You're measuring, your measurements should always be from the head. So after you drill or tap like half of it roughly, then you can remove this tool. You don't need it anymore because the guide will be already there. The drill portion will be already there, or the tap portion will be already there. So you have to measure from the head when you're doing those measurements on the drill. So when you're, for example, the drill here and the tap, you're basically doing the measurements. That portion there where you stop, it has to be at the head, not at the tool.